There's a massive divide opening up in the marketplace right now. On one side, you have people who are terrified of artificial intelligence. They see it as a threat to their job, a replacement for their soul, or a cheating tool they shouldn't touch. On the other side, you have the kingdom architects. We don't fear the machine. We command the machine. AI is not going to take your job, but a person who knows how to use AI to find the strategic gap will absolutely take the territory of the person who doesn't. In the next 10 minutes, I'm going to show you how to stop using AI to write boring emails and start using it to gain 10 years of wisdom in 5 minutes. I'm going to show you my AI protocol. It's the tool I use to outthink, outpace, and out-strategize the competition while they are still trying to figure out their to-do list. Let's look at a kingdom expert who was 10 times better than his peers. His name was Daniel. In Daniel chapter 5, King Belshazzar sees a handwriting on a wall. He is terrified. He calls in all the wise men and astrologers. They have the data. They can see the words, but they have no interpretation. Then works in Daniel. The Bible says he had an excellent spirit and knowledge and understanding to interpret dreams, explain riddles, and solve knotty problems. Daniel was an interpreter of patterns. AI at its core is a pattern-making machine. It is a logic storehouse. God didn't give Daniel a faster brain. He gave him a higher discernment. When we use AI as kingdom architects, we aren't looking for cheats. We are looking for interpretation. We are asking the machine to help us solve the knotty problems of our industry. We are using it to find the patterns of famine and plenty, just like Joseph did in Egypt. If you aren't using the tools of your age to provide the interpretation the world is starving for, you aren't being pious. You are being an ineffective steward. Let's talk about the strategic gap. Most people use AI like a search machine. They ask it, give me 5 tips for marketing. That is a subject move. It yields generic, shallow results. An architect uses AI as a strategic consultant. The strategy is called prompt engineering as discernment. David C. Baker says that expertise is about pattern matching. It's about seeing 100 situations and realizing that they all fall into 3 specific categories. When I run an AI audit, I don't ask for tips. I feed the machine my mess. I give it my 20 anxieties, my client's biggest complaint, and my industry's current trends. And then I ask the kingly question. Based on the business of expertise, where is the gap my competition is missing? While my competitors are spending 4 hours researching, I am spending 4 minutes auditing. I am identifying one stone that will bring down the giant. This isn't just working fast, it's ruling the information. Let's get tactical. Open your Kingdom Architect Notion template and navigate to the AI War Room. I want you to see the noise filter prompt I've built for you. Watch how this works. I paste my messy to-do list into this block. I hit generate. Look at what the AI is doing. It's not just listing tasks, it's categorizing them by value density. It's telling me this task is $20 per hour work. Delete it. This task is $500 per hour strategy. This is your decree. It is acting as my Joseph in the storehouse, organizing the grain so I don't starve during the busy season. Your homework for day 4. Go to the AI War Room in your Notion template. Take the 10 biggest bottlenecks in your career right now. Run the Nehemiah Strategy prompt number 4 in your library. Watch it break down your wall into a tactical 3-step plan. Don't just think about your problems tonight. Audit them. Use the machine to gain the interpretation. Tomorrow for day 5, we are going to talk about what David Baker taught me about irreplaceable expertise. I'm going to show you how to find the moat that makes you the only logical choice in your market. Let's stop surviving. Let's start building. I'll see you.